Hey everybody, I'm here today with you because I got a new box from close to my heart, and the first thing on the top of my box is this gorgeous new catalog, which I am going to flip through to show you. But first, let me take everything out of the box and put this aside. Okay, let's start with the catalog. Okay, so let's have a flip through this gorgeous catalog. I always love looking through here because not only do you get to see the new products, but you get to see inspiration, which you can use on any project. So this is Yesterday and Today collection. It's like a heritage collection. So you can scrapbook your older family photos, maybe do a genealogy project. Look at these gorgeous page kits. Beautiful. And cards as well. And then we have the Seize the Day collection, which I just love. So it's getting you ready for your summer vacation with these beautiful beachy colors. Just love it. Love the textures on the papers. And fun stamps to go along with it. There's some beautiful workshop kits with this one. Card making workshop kit too. And then the mix-ins. Look how beautiful this is. I really love these patterns here. And then some new stamp sets. I'll just flip through. Lots of springy sets. I think I have to have this one right here for my daughter. Maybe that one too. I love these unicorns and I love the inspiration they've shown here. If you want one of these catalogs too, you can contact your local demonstrator. Just go on the website and have a look. And you can purchase all of these at the Close to My Heart website at the link in my video notes. And when you purchase, it gives you the option to add one of these to your order. This is great for graduation cards, and I love the mixture of these fonts. This is a great one also for just any kind of card. Wishing you everything happy, wanted to know you're in my prayers, thank you, people like you make the world pretty great. That's a great set there. Love this Spreading Sunshine too. There's so many great ones in here. Awesome birthday set. And then check out this Love These People. These are my people, sorry, these are my people cut above kit. This is really cool. So it has a stamp set. It has a paper packet, sticker sheet, coordinating cardstock. I really love these big florals. They're so beautiful. So lots of awesome things in here. Here's some alphabet thin cuts with embossing folders and some new embellishments. There are seashell sequins, you guys. Oh my goodness. I think we all need that. And this is the stamp of the month, which is so cute. Let me show you the Seize the Day collection first. Okay, this is the Seize the Day paper packet, and look at these amazing patterns. I love that blue wood grain. This fun, it has such a great texture on it with the anchors and kind of a net pattern, very neutral. So this is the paper packet with the sticker sheet. So you get two sets of each paper. This is a gorgeous stripe, again with a great texture, and some kind of wave cloud design on the back. Then you have your coordinating cardstock. So you get two sheets of yellow, two sheets of that peachy color, two sheets of this, what I would call probably a seafoam, two sheets of navy, two sheets of gray, and two sheets of teal. Beautiful. And then for the embellishments, these are the chipboard pieces. So they're in that awesome neutral color with shells, with sayings that you can use for titles. I love this Life is Better in flip-flops, salty kisses, and seashell wishes. So I dare you to say that quickly. And then there's the sticker sheet, which I just love. It comes with the paper, but seize the day, that's a great one. And just really big, great embellishments for you to add to your scrapbook layouts, as well as cards and other things too. Next up, we have the Picture My Life cards, which I always love so much. And I also love that they are horizontal on the back and vertical on the front. It's always helpful. So lots of fun textures on these as well. Seagulls. Happiness comes in waves. How awesome is that? Really clever sayings on here. Stripes, crabs. I love this one. And you have a warmer tones on the back. Wild and free, just like the sea. Oh, these are awesome. Stay anchored. That's a great one. And then for the 3x4s, you have high tide, good vibes, treasure this moment, little fish, cool patterns, take me to the water. Look at that. I love that. I love this pattern here. Lighthouse, you, me, and the sea. Beach days are the best days, and you're my fish in the sea. Love them. I have spring break pictures to scrapbook, and I think I'm gonna have to do that with these. Spring break from last year, that is. And the last couple things I have from Seize the Day are the Seize the Day dots and the Seize the Day scrapbook stamp. So big enough to use on your scrapbook layouts. There's a lighthouse, there's a sailboat. Shine your light, that could be a great card saying. Let your dreams set sail, another one. Sunny days. So I make cards and scrapbook layouts with these. So that's the Seize the Day collection. Let's take a look at the next one. Okay, so let's check out yesterday and today. So this is a very neutral collection. This is the pattern paper. Lots of texture here. This is pretty cool, this one here. Lots of postcards. Family, this is the sticker sheet that comes with the paper. So big family word. Then and now, love this family. Lots of little sayings, a pretty bird that I bet you could color in if you wanted to. Just lots of pretty things here. Then the coordinating paper. There's 3 sets of each color: black, deep brown, an off-white, and kind of a mushroom color. And then we have the die cuts, and they are metallic-y foil. Look at that. Kind of hard to show you, but they're all nestled. So there's so many different shapes in here, stars and scallops and keyholes and locks and all sorts of fun things there. And then we have the vellum sheets, which has lots of flourishes, some birds and berries and just botanical kind of motifs. And then I have, what is this one? This is the Yesterday and Today Scrapbooking stamp set, and I also have a die with this one. That's pretty cool. So the die can cut out the little shapes of the portraits there and the frame and this banner. So like this, every family has a story. Yesterday and today, this is us, childhood memories, our family history. So lots of great things here to scrapbook your family in a very neutral and beautiful way. Okay. Next, let's check out Love These People pattern papers. Look how beautiful this one is. Just love these. This one is just gorgeous too. That blue is, I'm just loving it. And the pretty yellow, polka dots and green on the back. And then you have a sticker sheet. Look at this. I love this big Good Times. I just love this. I love the colors. I think it's gorgeous. Look at this border up here. Look at that. It's like kind of a wave of paint. It's just beautiful. So lots of great things on here. And then there's the coordinating paper. So you get a pretty coral, yellow, peach, that beautiful green, sapphire, and this bluebird color too. Oh, this one is going to be fun to create with. And then I have the Love These People stamp. Let's take a look at this one. This looks pretty special. So you have the Love These People, Better Together with this pretty floral frame. I love these. I'm definitely going to use those and watercolor those in. I love this. We rise by lifting others. All we need is each other. There's a big paint swipe there, a daisy. I just love this set. So that's going to be used a lot by me, I believe. Last but not least, in my box, I have the Mix-In coordinating cardstock. I always love close to my heart cardstock because it is a great quality and it's beautiful. Look at these colors. How gorgeous are these? This is just screaming springtime to me and happiness. That is my kind of color scheme. I just love it. Thanks so much for watching this close to my heart March-April 2020 new product unboxing video. I hope you've loved everything that you've seen, and if you do, be sure to head to the Close to My Heart website at the link in my video notes to grab these beautiful supplies while they last only for 2 months. Remember, it's really exciting to get brand new product every 2 months from Close to My Heart. I especially love the Seize the Day collection. I can't wait to use it to record beach memories from years past. So stay tuned on this channel for some projects coming with these brand new collections. And thanks so much for watching, and happy creating.